This is 34 weeks. And she has the hiccups, but she's also kicking. So what you see here is her having hiccups. She's actually lying right in here. I don't know if you can see that my stomach is popping out right here.